Welcome, I'm XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. So as you can see, there's two ways of verifying it, either with a pattern or using the Google account. And assuming you don't know either one of them, to bypass this, number one, at the start you need to be disconnected from Wi-Fi, which I'm just gonna go back and forget this one. So forget network and OK. So you can see now I'm not connected to anything. And now we're gonna skip this, accept, progress, skip this as well, more and accept. And here you wanna set only screen lock and choose, as you've seen, I had a pattern as a verification method, so we're gonna go to PIN. And we need to wait for 5 seconds. And go, got it, and I'm gonna use a PIN 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's progress further. Or actually, now that we have set the PIN, you want to go back and now we're gonna reconnect to network. So can I choose my network? I'm gonna tap connect. There we go. So you can see I'm connected now. So I'm gonna again progress through this. And as you can see, now the verification method changed. So now I can put in the PIN that I have set. 1, 2, 3, 4, next, and it's unlocked. And you can sign into your Google account if you want to, or you can skip this, it doesn't really matter what you choose here. And just finish up the setup. I'm gonna quickly go through it just so you can see me skip and finish it up, and there we go. As you can see, we're now on the home screen with the device being unlocked. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.